Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sam, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos. I'm gonna be real with you guys. Recently, I've just been feeling really not like myself. I really don't really know why, honestly. My mental state isn't where I like it to be. I feel like something that has a really big influence on that is just when my life is just discombobulated, just cluttered, whether it's my environment, my appearance. When those things are just off, I feel like it really affects me and like my mental state. That is why I'm dedicating this week to getting my life back together. So I figured I had to start at the root. I had to start at my environment, places that I am at the majority of my time. So obviously that is my room. And I feel like when my room is a mess, I feel a mess. It's just not good. When I have a nice clean room, all organized, I feel much better. So I don't really have that big of a room. So the majority of my mess stems from my closet and the insane amount of clothes that I have. That is why the first step in getting my life back together is going to be reorganizing my closet and cleaning it out. I really want to just switch around everything I have in there, and I also figured that I would show you guys some clothes that I have that I would be willing to sell to you guys because I want somebody else to get good use out of it if I'm not getting good use out of it. So stay tuned to see some of the clothes that I have to offer that I'm probably going to be putting up on my Poshmark account, so you guys can go check that out if you guys want to buy some of my clothes. And yeah, I guess we should just get started. Like I said, this is part one, getting my life back together. On Friday, I'm going to be posting a full body glow up because as you can tell, I just don't really look my best. So stay tuned for Friday because I'm gonna be looking a lot better than I look right now. But let's get on to today's video because I already know it's gonna be a project and it's like 11 o'clock at night. So I don't really want to be up all night, even though I probably will. So like I said, this is my closet right behind me. It has two doors that open up like this. Here it is, welcome. It's very messy right now, so don't judge me because we're fixing it, okay? We're fixing it. I figured that my first step should be taking everything out. As you can see, I have things hanging up, and then in the middle, I have these like cubes where I could fold stuff and put them. I think I want to switch around where everything is because I don't really like the way it's organized right now. Okay, so I just took everything out of the middle over here, and I also took some of the things that were on this shelf on this side of my closet. The only thing that's left down here are all my jackets, which I'm gonna keep on hangers, but I think I'm just going to move them onto the top because on the top I could also hang things. So I think that I'm gonna do that really quickly. You see her walking down the boulevard. Why do I have so many jackets of this like material? Oh my god, I have so many jackets of this material. I literally have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Am I okay? I feel like this is like literally gonna go out of style and I'm just gonna have like 6 of these jackets. She lives a double life, puts on a show. Now that I moved all my jackets to up here, I have this lower level where the jackets used to be. Now over here, I keep all of like my nice going out shirts. So I think that I want to move those over here and just take out some shirts that like I don't wear anymore that I might want to sell or give away. So that's what we're gonna do now. She's a Mona Lisa. Now I'm just going to do the same thing on this side and just organize it. Now I think I'm going to take all of my everyday shirts and I want to put them on hangers instead of folding them because I feel like it would just get way too messy that way. So I'm going to put them all on hangers and I'm going to hang them up right here so it's like easy access, you know? So I literally have all of these hangers. We are making progress. I think I'm gonna put them on my hangers on my bed because Sam is here and he's gonna help me. He doesn't know it yet, but he's gonna help me. He's literally like sleeping. Just help me for a little bit.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Alright guys, so it's now like literally 1 in the morning and as you can see, Sam is like passed out because we're so tired. I don't even know what I was about to say. He didn't even help me. Pretty good progress with my closet, but I can't finish it right now because I'm like literally gonna fall asleep. I'm going to just finish tomorrow morning. So yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep and then I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, now this is gonna be satisfying. Alright, hey guys, it is the next day. I literally don't even remember like what I filmed last night. I was so tired and just like so delirious, I guess you can say. It was just a lot, okay? It was just a project to say the least. I don't even remember what the last clip that I filmed was. Anyways, today's the next morning and I'm pretty much done with my closet. I just spent the morning finishing up the last touches and making piles of all the clothes that I took out of my closet. So I'm about to show you guys the completed closet because it looks so much better. Like actually looks really good in my opinion, and I'm so excited that now it's nice and organized and I could have a better environment. I already feel like so much better. I feel like that was just a weight lifted off my shoulders. And that being said, I'm going to show you guys it right now. Here she is. So here is the before. It was very unorganized, very messy, had things just thrown everywhere, and now it looks like this.
You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she...
So yeah, this is the finished closet. Now that I showed you guys the overview, I figured I would do a little tour. When you first open it up on the left hand side, I put all of my long sleeve shirts here and sweaters, basically just all long sleeve stuff here. Then up here I have all of my jackets, cropped black one back here. That one's so cute, I love it. Then over here I have these 2 hooks and I just keep all my bags here. So I have my backpack. This was my school bag that I used to take when I would commute to college. Then over here in the middle, put my sweatpants, my jeans, and some denim shorts. And then over here I have all my leggings. Moving on up here, I just keep my pajamas. Obviously, they just look like this. Down here I have my bathing suits and some socks, and then I have bra and underwear. Down here I just have basically the shoes that I wear like every day. Now on the right side of my closet, I put all of my shirts and like crop tops and just like cute everyday shirts. Down here I have some of my winter stuff. Then here I'm just keeping some of my hoodies. This is not all of the hoodies that I have because if you know me, I literally have way too many hoodies and it honestly just gets so unorganized here. They take up so much space. So just figured since it's summer now, I'm just gonna keep a few here and then put a few away in like a bin or something. So yeah, this was definitely a project. It took probably total like 12 hours to do all of this, and and honestly it was worth it because now I feel much better. While I was doing this, I mentioned that I was taking out clothes that I wanted to either give away or sell, and you guys like don't even understand how much clothes I had that I literally do not wear. I'm finally letting go. I need to declutter. So this entire basket is filled with clothes that are good quality and that I want to sell. So I do have a Poshmark account that I've been using for a couple of years now. I'm literally going to spend like the rest of the day uploading all of these things because like I said, they're so cute and I personally really like them. I just feel like I grew a little bit. They're not really my style anymore and a lot of them don't fit me anymore. So I do want to put them to good use and I really think that you guys will like them also. I'm going to pick out my favorite pieces of all of those clothes and I'm going to show them to you guys right now, do a little try on just so you guys can see what kind of clothes that I have. And then if you guys want to go buy them from me, I'm going to be putting them on my Poshmark and I will link it down below. I put things up there for so cheap. Just want it to be going to better use to someone who actually would like it. I usually mark them down much lower than what I bought them for. So definitely check out my Poshmark. So I figured I would just try on the best pieces so that you guys can get a good idea of what kind of clothes I'm selling. I'm wearing the first outfit of things that I'm selling, and also I wanted to mention that a lot of these clothes are like popular brands like Brandy Melville, Forever 21, PacSun. I have a bunch of clothes that I bought like a couple of years ago and they're in like perfect condition. So this is the first outfit. This shirt is an old Brandy Melville halter top and it is actually tie-dye, which is actually pretty funny because I feel like tie-dye is really in right now. But I got this like maybe 2 years ago. It's like this. I have worn this shirt before and it is a little bit worn. It looks perfectly fine. It's actually really cute. I just feel like it doesn't fit my body the way I like would want it to. Just paired it with these shorts that I got from PacSun, but I didn't have any more shorts that actually fit me that I could put on, so I kind of just like threw this outfit together. It does not look good together, but just look at them individually. This is the shirt. It's actually really cute, just like kind of baggy on me. It doesn't really fit my body correctly. It has a little tie and just off the shoulder, and these shorts are just from Forever 21. Studs going around and they are distressed in the front. This next shirt is from Brandy Melville. It's just a button-up collared shirt. I think it's really cute. I just personally don't like this color on me. I feel like it looks kind of weird. I just never wear it, honestly. I look at it, I'm like, it is pretty cute, but I just know that when I go to pick out an outfit, I would never pick it and it's just gonna sit in my closet longer. So I also have some Adidas stuff in there that literally have the tag on them still. Like a baby pink windbreaker. I'm going to try and put everything up on Poshmark this weekend so that by the time you're watching this video, it'll already be up there. So if you guys want to go get any of this stuff, definitely check out my Poshmark. I feel like this is really good to just declutter these clothes to good use because I hate seeing cute clothes that just sit and no one's getting any use out of them, no one's wearing them. So hopefully they will have a better home where they are appreciated. Alright guys, so I'm pretty sure that is it for today's video. I already feel so much better, like I said. Hope that this video at least inspired you guys to maybe get up and do something that you've been putting off for months. It makes you feel so much better about yourself. With that being said, I'm also continuing this two-part little series on Friday because my Friday video is going to be a whole transformation glow up. Also, I have a very special and exciting announcement in that video, so make sure you stay tuned and look out for that because I'm so excited. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope it wasn't too boring watching me just clear out my room. Make sure to follow me on Instagram because so far so many of you guys have been like DMing me and like commenting on my pictures how you came from my YouTube, and it's so fun to like chat with you guys and get to know you guys because you guys are just so cute and it's so fun to just make friends. God knows that I need some more friends, so definitely hit me up, follow me, let me know you came from my YouTube, and I will definitely be following you guys all back. I'm gonna like some of your pictures. We can support each other. It'll just be a fun time. Yes, please subscribe if you haven't already.